This is chapter number 7, entrepreneurship, and I will try to cover all multiple choice questions related to these topics. Number 1 is MCQ 1. Question number: Ali noticed that students struggle to find affordable study materials. He starts up platforms to provide low cost notes. What type of activity is Ali performing? Identifying a business opportunity, performing routine work, following market trends blindly, managing an existing company. The correct answer is identifying a business opportunity. Because Ali identified a problem and created a solution, which is the core of the entrepreneurship. Question number 2: a business fails because the owner ignored customer feedback. Which entrepreneurial skill is missing? Adaptability, risk taking, marketing, investment planning. The correct option is adaptability, because entrepreneurs must adopt based on feedback to improve their products or services. Question number 3: Sarah creates multiple ideas for solving a problem before selecting the best one. Which stage of design thinking is she applying? Ideation, testing, empathize, prototype. The correct option is ideation. Ideation because on focuses on generating multiple creative solutions. Question number 4: a startup launches a product without understanding user needs and fails. Which stage was skipped? Em- empathize, 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 testing, marketing, implementation. The correct option is empathize, because understanding user is essential before developing any solution. Ahmed builds a basic version of his app to test it with users. Which stage is this? Prototype, ideation, define, empathize. The correct option is prototype, because prototype involves creating a sample model to test ideas. Question number 6: a business owners avoid all risk and misses opportunities. What is the likely outcome? Slow or no business growth, rapid expansion, increased innovation, strong market leadership. The correct option is slow or no business growth. Entrepreneurs must take calculated risks to grow their businesses. A company improves its product after user testing. Which stage does this present? Testing, ideation, empathize, define. The correct option is testing, because testing helps refine solution based on user feedback. Question number 8: two entrepreneurs have the same idea, but one succeeds due to better execution. What is the key factor? Implementation, idea generation, market size, technology use. The correct option is implementation, because success depends not only on ideas but on how effectively they are executed. Question number 9: a student uses PowerPoint to present a startup idea to investors. Why is this tool appropriate? It is visually communicates idea clearly. It stored large data sets. It develops software application. It manages databases. The correct option is it visually communicates idea clearly, because presentation tools help explain ideas in a structured and engaging way. Question number 10: a business copies competitors without innovation and fails. What is missing? Creativity and innovation, investment capital, technology tools, marketing strategy. The correct option is creativity and innovation. Innovation is essential to stand out in the market. Question number 11: Hamza starts a small business using his savings without external help. What type of business is this? Self-employed business, Government business, franchise business, partnership business. Correct answer is self-employed business. A self-employed person runs and finances their own business independently. Question number 12. Why do people prefer being their own boss? Independence in decision making, guaranteed income, no responsibility, no risk involvement. Correct answer is independence in decision making. Entrepreneurs enjoy independence but must also handle risk and responsibilities. Question number 13. Which is disadvantage of being your own boss? Financial risk, flexible working hours, decision making power, business ownership. The correct option is financial risk. Entrepreneurs face financial uncertainty and risk of loss. Question number 14. A business owner works long hours to manage operations. What does this reflect? High responsibility, lack of planning, poor investment, weak market demand. Correct answer, high responsibility. Because entrepreneurs often work long hours due to high responsibility. Question number 15. What is the main aim of a business plan? To outline business goal and strategies, to advertise products, to hire employees, to reduce production cost. Correct answer is to outline businesses, goal and strategies. A business plan defines goals, strategies and operations of a business. Question number 16. A business fails due to poor planning. What was missing? Proper business plan, marketing strategy, skilled employee, financial investment. Correct option is proper business plan. Because planning is essential for business success. Question number 17. Which component is included in the business plan? Market analysis, keyword layout, software installation, network setup. Market analysis. Market analysis helps understand customer needs and competition. A company study competitors before launching a product. Which part of a business plan is this? Market analysis, financial plan, production plan, sales plan. The correct option is market analysis. Because market analysis includes studying competitors and demand. Question number 19. What is the cost of production? Total cost to produce goods or services, cost of selling products, profit earned, advertising cost only. The correct option is total cost to produce goods or services. It includes all expenses involved in production. Question number 20. If production cost increases but price remains same, what happens? Profit decreases, profit increases, demand increases, supply decreases. Correct option is profit decreases because higher cost reduce overall profit margin. Which is a fixed cost? Rent, raw material, electricity uses, packaging. Correct option is rent. Fixed costs remain constant regardless of the production level. Which is a variable cost? Raw material, rent, insurance, salaries. The correct option is raw material. Variable cost change with production level. A factory increases production and raw material cost rises. What type of cost is this? Variable cost, fixed cost, sunk cost, indirect cost. The correct option is variable cost. Because variable cost increase with production volume. Question number 24. Reducing production cost without affecting quality leads to higher profits, lower demand, reduced sales, increased losses. Correct option is higher profit because lower cost with same price increase profit margin. Question number 25. What is revenue? Total income from sale, cost of production, net profit, business expense. Correct answer is total income from sale. Revenue is the total amount earned from selling goods or services. Question number 26. Profit is calculated as revenue minus cost, cost minus revenue, revenue plus cost, production minus sales. Correct answer is revenue minus cost. Profit equal to total revenue minus total cost. Question number 27. A business increases price to maintain profit due to rising costs. What is the reasons? Increase in production cost, decrease in demand, increase in competition, improve markets. The correct option is increase in production cost. Higher cost often require price adjustment to maintain profit. Question number 28. Which section explains how a business will earn profit? Financial plan, marketing plan, production plan, HR plan. The correct option is financial plan. Financial plan includes cost, revenue, and profit estimation. Question number 29. If demand increases but supply is limited, what happens? Price increases, price decreases, profit decreases, cost decreases. The correct option is price increases. High demand with low supply leads to higher prices. Question number 30. A business plan includes goal, cost, and marketing strategy. What is its purpose? To guide business operations, to design software, to reduce taxes, to manage hardware. The correct option is to guide businesses' operations because a business plan acts as a roadmap for running the business.